Heyo, MC Clap Your Hands here today, coming at you with my first video for the channel Feller Productions. This is going to be a Mortal Kombat ladder playthrough on hard with my best character, Rain. So let's get into it. I'll be posting a lot more Mortal Kombat videos as well. It's one of my main games that I tend to play. Rain is my best character, so I'm going to be using him first time. Not really that great of a commentator, so I might go silent for a little bit if I'm focusing, so just bear with me. Sonya Blade. Frickin' ugliest face in the goddamn game. Alright. No, you ain't stealing the first hit from me, bitch. Shit, input errors already. Oh, what the hell? There we go. Oh, they're gonna use the brake on me. Oh, shit. Squirt gun to your tits. No, get out of here. Oh, squirt gun. Out of here. Yeah, that does look a lot bright. I don't know what to do about the brightness on the video here. Turn brightness down in game, turn brightness down on my TV, so I'll figure it out eventually. I am filming at night, so maybe that's the reason. Shit. Oh, God. Whoa, nice try. Alright, hold on. I do know the one fatality, I just don't know the other one. Okay. Right. Shh. I just frickin' failed that. Are you kidding me? Alright, well, I'm a scrub. Thought I did it right the first time, but whatever. I'll just stick to the one I do know then, I guess. Reptile. On a stage where there is no stage fatality, so I can't even do that. Okay. Reptiles are normally scrubs whenever they're on bots. I'm just going to skip the intro, you don't need to see that. Oh, shit. I meant to do that. Ah, damn it. Oh, the fuck? The bitch. Input errors up the ass. Oh, hello. That was a... Ow! Fucking... Oh, you slut. Come at me. I blocked the whole time, and then the second I go to do something, input errors up the ass right now. God damn, dude, getting all of the input errors. Oh yeah, I forgot that hits low. Frick. Crap! Shit, tits. Too late. Dropping combo since 2011. Alright. Just do that one for now. I prefer this one to the other one anyway. Where's your head, buddy? Where is your head? Fatality. Oh boy, here comes Cowboy Curtis. My good old favorite character. I'm about to whoop your ass. Oh, hello. Oh. Damn, that sucks. Can't do better. Do you like being in the corner, buddy? Oh, wrong way. Oh god. There we go. Let's catch him now. There we go, buddy. Get that X-ray in. Whew, 14 hits, baby. Oop. Oh god. I'm not good. I ain't gonna spare him. Out of here. Alright, let's try this one again. Forward, back, down, back, R2. Or back, forward, down, back, R2. There we go. That's so good. This is just a ridiculous fatality. Gotta love it, though. Gotta love it. Fatality. The teleport uppercuts will be real. I can tell you that much. Alright. I didn't dash. But it already starts. Oh. Around the world. Oh god dang it. He landed over me. I forgot I was going to start calling this move the Daft Punk. Where you going, buddy? Oh, dropped it. Oh, god. Out of here. Can't beat the Purple Ninja, baby. Ah. Oh. Okay, then. I don't know what I wanted to do with that combo right there. Oh. Yep, dodge, yep. See? Look. It's like he wakes up with it every time. And the inserters. A little bit too far away. Let's slice his head off again. Why not? So far we've got no stage fatalities, otherwise I'd do one of those, but yeah. It is what it is. Just gotta do the fatality every time though. Just to show how boss we are. Psych, I suck at this game. Don't let— ah! Yeah, baby. Let's go. About to give Ermac a booger bath right now. What's happening? This is going to be like a cheap victory, I already know, because Ermac is so cheap. But we're coming off here with some— oh, input errors, that's what we're doing. Catch him in the bubble. Get some more input errors. Keep trying to do the teleports. Cool. Calm yourself, Ermac. Calm yourself. Around the world you go. Tell you, Ermac's— not Ermac, Rain's combos feel so good when you get them off, because it's all about timing with them. Oh, God. Look at that poor fellow. Rip in pieces. Stop teleporting. Bastard. Get squirt gun. Oh, my lord. And then I get the infinite rays. Sweet baby rays. I don't want. Oh. Oh, I don't like you. I don't like your bars meter there, sir. Alright, let me just to make sure I got the right one. Yep, that is the right one. Take a booger bath there, Mac. Get out of here. Could not handle the snot, ladies and gentlemen. Could not handle it. Ah, good old PS3 exclusive. Excuse me. Hey. That punk? No? Oh, God. I don't know what the... Oh, God. No, don't do it. Oh, God. Good old Chris Brown, O.J. Simpson. Except I'm not a girl, so it doesn't make sense. Thinking we gotta make Kratos fat on this one. Oh, what am I doing? Up. And I say, Death Punk. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Eat it. Oh, God. Oh, he did the full thing. Ah! No. Stop it. Stop it. Heyo. Get fat, motherfucker. You don't know me like that. Oh, what? Oh, you didn't even get fat! Holy cow, I never even knew that was a thing. He's just like, no, bitch, I'm gonna stay ripped, and you're gonna like it. I'm like, fine then. Oh, not the desert. No. The Desert Eagle. Good old Kaino. I'm not even gonna listen to you. Oh, God. Balls in my face. Skirt. Oh, nice try. That's all he's got. Just the balls. At least he's got it. Get over here. Oh, couldn't catch it. Oh, gosh. Get the. Oh my gosh. Who takes this round? Stop doing the sweeps, dude. Ah! Oh, God. Well, first round lost at 7th in the ladder. Oh, God, that would have been perfect though. Daft Punk. Oh my God, Kano. God dang, he is good. I gotta use. Hot damn, Kano. What's he doing? Oh, he's too high. Too high. I should have done it again. Oh my god. Well, I said that I sucked. And I do. Can't even get through a hard ladder. I'm not ending it there, though. We are going full throttle to the end. Unless I fail so many times with Shang Tsung and Shao Kahn. Because nobody fails with Goro. Oh, you're going to use both of your bodies as meter. There we go. Oh, what? Oh, God. How does that hurt? Get out of here. Don't worry, guys. We got this one. We got this one. Yeah. You just called me a bitch. Death punk you. Oh, gosh. What? Stop it. Oh, God. I didn't expect to hit that. Owie. I'm gonna X-ray his ass. Oh boy. You just come here. Just come here, buddy. You deserve to have your head cut off. Alright. Had a little stumble there, got a loss, but we all good. We all good. Fatality. I'm probably gonna lose again, but you know. We're getting through the end. This is complete videos. I hate Shang Tsung. I swear. I've done ladders on beginner difficulty before and lost to him. And only him, too. Like, I can straight beat Shao Kahn 2 rounds on beginner. And yet I lose a game to Shang frickin' Tsung. I do apologize if my my buttons are really loud. They probably are. Ooh, boop. Ah! 1337 combo. Ooh. Oh, he grabbed me. He grabbed me. Staying down. Come here, buddy. Full screen X-rays for the win now. Whoop. We got this. We got this. I thought I could catch him because he's in the corner. I got caged. Oh my god. Did I just convert that? Oh, that was so good. Oh my god. No. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it! Oh, you took a round. It's okay though, we got almost full meter. We got this, we got this. Alright. Oh, you predictable lope. No, you weren't gonna go. Pot, making waste of meter. No, you're changing back to Shang Tsung before I kick your ass. Yeah. Get the dick. Alright. That was good. That was good. Kind of surprised that I actually won. Get fat. actually didn't see if we got Goro or Kentaro. If we got Goro or Live, these are easy. Oh, easy breezy. Beautiful cover, girl. This I'm taking in 2 rounds. I'm being cocky about it, but I'm going to take this in 2 rounds if it's the last thing I do. Get you Aladdin hairstyle looking heaven. Oh my god, the armor. Oh, god. No. Oh, boy. Welcome to hell, baby. Population, your ass. Oh, god, I didn't mean to do that. No, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it! Stop it! It hurts. Okay, I'm not taking that in 2 rounds. Told you I was being cocky. Woo! Oh my god. No. Okay, we're gonna lose to this one. We're gonna... Oh my lord. Dude, your armor! Oh my god, and the one time he actually teases me, he did not just combo. What? Oh, get up. No, damn it, I lost. I lost. I told you I lost, god. Armor. Just armor, dude. That was annoying. That is just the worst wake-up attack in the history of wake-up attacks. Here we go. Oh, my input error. There we go. Seriously? Oh my goodness. I'm still gonna lose this round. I got him down so much. Oh my god, I teleported. No, I teleported. No, screw that. Screw them input errors. Screw. Oh my god. Look at that. I missed the Daft Punk. Yes! Oh god, that hit. Oh my. I was expecting it to fail. Get out of here. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm lucky. Oh my god, I'm playing him. I am outplaying him. Yes! Alright. We got this. I'm not gonna beat Shang Tsung first try, though, I guarantee that. I don't know how that worked, but it did. Skirt. I didn't even dash there. Okay, then. Oh, baby. Get out of here. Oh, I gotta get out of this frontal view. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. No. 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 Doo-da. Doo-da. Yes! Oh god. I was getting scared. I was getting scared. Whew. Alright. Shao Kahn. 2 matches lost, 6 rounds lost. Not too shabby. Harrison Ford is a quarter Jewish. Not too shabby. Oh, the armor. The armor already begins. The telefails already begin. Oh my god. There we go. Welcome to the corner. Population your ass. Oh, hello. Around the world, around the world. Oh boy. You gotta be kidding. Oh god, I forgot you can't block those. There we go. There we go. Oh, I forgot you can't do that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Oh! 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 Oh, the cock block! Oh, the cock block is real! Oh, but I still lost the round. Oh my god, dang it. Oh my god, I thought I was going to cross over to the other side. Oh my god, I cock blocked his x-ray so hard. So hard. Woo! What? Skirt? Why do I... Oh my god, the input errors, dude. His palms are sweaty. He's weak. Oh, that hit. Oh god. Eh! Oh, you are done. You are donezo. Yes! Alrighty, guys. Third round. We ain't losing. We ain't losing a single round to this guy. Oh, well, let's fail with our tellies. You wanna use that again? No, you don't. Skirp. Daft Punk to your face. Oh, yeah. Bam. Done. I'm getting lucky right now. He's using that move so much. And it is extremely punishable. Oh, that isn't, no. I think my mom is home. Skirt. Skirt. He just... He shoulder dashed like a punk. Oh my god. Ugh. We lost. Dang it. Alright, let's get this. Come on. Dang. I thought I had him. I really thought I had him. Oh, okay. Armor on the punch, sure. Okay, then. Oh my god, I hate shotgun. Out of here. God. Shout. He has armor on every single move. Oh. I hate my life. I hate my life. Shut up, Shao Kahn. I tried jumping that. well then. I'm speechless. I am absolutely speechless. I'm gonna give this one more go, and then I'm gonna consider this a fail if I lose. 'Cause this is definitely a lengthy video. Skirt. He's so big you can't even jump over him. Oh. Oh my god, I had that punished. And the input errors be like, nope. I just need to TP more. Look at this. The biggest D-bag in all of gaming. Holy cow. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my god, really? And he knows I'm gonna jump. Get up. Get over here. Kinda tired of seeing that X-ray, I know. I'm done. Oh my god. Well, I am chalking this up as a fail for now. I will be back with more MK soon. I swear to god I will beat a ladder on hard. I've done it before. It's just incredible, ludicrous amounts of fail that this video cannot afford. So, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. And look at all the other videos my friends have published here at Feller Productions, and I will see you all on the flip side.